Hello, welcome back to the channel once again. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Chima. I live in South Africa with my family, and on this channel I put out vlogs, and most especially I put out rural South African vlogs. I do beauty and lifestyle content here on this channel as well. Please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. You will love it here, trust me, you will. There are a lot of things I want to touch in this video, but let's just talk about living in the rural areas. I know a lot of people who live here, me as well. Okay, there are sometimes when you feel like you are limited to a lot of things living in the rural area. Trust me, when you're living in the rural areas, most times you feel limited. Most times you feel like you don't get exactly what you want to get. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of things you can get here in the rural areas, but there are quite a number of things you don't get as well. A lot of people want to relocate to the rural areas for reasons best known to them. They might want to relocate for the fact that they want to come and build, they want to invest, they want to build their their rural areas. Those kind of people have their concerns as well, and I know their concerns might as well be entertainment. One of their concerns might be entertainment, because a lot of people want to go have fun when it's weekend. After working throughout the week, you want a place to go have fun, catch fun, and unwind, if you get what I mean. So that's why I'm bringing this series to my channel. I want to be reviewing a lot of fun places you can go and have fun, places you can go and chill. So today I'm going to a small village called Morgorwane. Morgorwane is a village close to Jenfest. It's in Sekukune district. So I'm visiting a new lodge there. The name of the lodge is Limpopo Pub and Lodge. Yes, Limpopo is a very popular name if you live around here. So I just want to go there, show you all around, show you that we have quite a number of places you can go and have fun. So without talking too much and much explanation, let us just go there and see what's happening. I'll see you in the next one. So we are on our way there. Let me just show you what the road looks like. Okay, this is the rural setting, as you all know. So let me just show you guys what the road looks like. The road is very busy today. Go on. Everywhere they happen. So actually where I'm going to is a place where everybody goes to, okay, to have fun. This is a one-stop place. They have the lodge, they have the swimming pool, they have the bar, the restaurant, where you can go and gym as well. So if you are around Sekukune and you're looking for a place to go have fun, to go catch fun, this is a place to be, okay? So yeah, let's just go there and see what's happening. We are very, very close to the place at this point, like very close, and I love that it is evening already, because I would love to see what the nightlife in Limpopo looks like. I want to see what it's like in the evening, because I've not been there very, very late. I think I've been there once late, but I still want to see how that place looks like when it's evening like this. And as you can see, we are close, very, very close. We are here now. We are here, and this is the main entrance. You can see a quite number of security personnel at the gate. So let's start from here and see what they have. It is huge. We're here right now. So let me just show you guys around. This is a 360. So like I was saying, this side is the lodge. As you can see, there are lodges over there, and I will still ask questions, although don't really know much. So let's start here. We have been given a go-ahead order from the management. So let's start with the lodging area, because this section is very, very important. After swimming, drinking, and having fun, you need a comfortable place where you can sleep and have a good night's rest. Hence why I want to start from here. We will just take a 360, a very good look at the environment. As you can see, it's a double story and the environment is so serene and clean. So shortly we'll be going into the rooms to see how the standard room looks like. 360 of the place. This place is in Morgorwane. Dima, please help me. Morgorwane.
Yes, it's Morgorwane, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, be careful. Yeah, here now.
So I find it difficult to pronounce the name of this village, but we are in Vigeto, okay? This place is absolutely beautiful, beautiful, guys. I'm just taking a look at the lodge area and all that, and guys, this is fascinating. So fresh air, oh my god. This is 40 minutes past 6 in the evening, and this place is so calm, so cool. If you're celebrating your birthday, if you're in Sekukune area, if you're in Limpopo and looking for a place to lodge, looking for a place to have fun, I think this is the place. The environment is
has everything.
Like, the environment is so serene.
It has everything.
I kid you not, I kid you not. So let's just move around a little bit. So let's move to this area as well and see what they got here. Wow,
It has jacuzzi.
take a look at this jacuzzi area, guys.
Just read this.
A place where you can come and chill and have some fun.
We are coming here for your birthday.
Guys, like my birthday spot is already booked, and my birthday is on 3rd of November. Oh, this place is just like a sit down area where someone can just come and sit down, you know. Yeah, I think so. Go into the room and see what's happening in there. Coming in from the door, the first thing I saw is the wardrobe on my right hand side, and moving towards the bed, you can see the bed is well laid with a very beautiful white bed sheet. The towel is there, the pillow well laid and everything. So on your right hand side of the room, you find a big mirror. You're also gonna find a beautiful desk and a chair there. There's TV, the wardrobe is there as well, like I said, and everything's so nice and beautiful, classy and chic, if you ask me. So let's just go into the convenient area and see what they have there. Going into the convenient area, there's a shower there, the hand wash basin, a little mirror up there as well, and beneath the wash basin, you're also going to find a little cupboard beneath it. That's the toilet there. That's where you can put your towels and all that. Very clean and beautiful, as you can see for yourself, like so clean. So now I'm moving over to the swimming area, because we are done with the rooms. You saw the rooms for yourself and you can see it's so beautiful. So let's go to the swimming area where they have the swimming pool, they have the bar and the rest of them. Let's leave this area. So through this little gate right here, you move from the lodging area to this other area. You can see cars parked. You can see cars parked. Like, this place is packed, like packed to the brim, you know. So let's just go there and see what they have there as well. Look at this beautiful area here. Beautiful place. You can be in the rural area and still have what you have in the city. Okay, this is so beautiful. So this is where I am right now. You can see the name of the place. It's called Limpopo Pub and Lodge. If you're looking for a place to relax, chill, well secured environment, this is shop club. Okay, this area leads to the swimming pool, but let me see if I can go there. Let me see if we can go there. So this is the swimming pool area. I know it's very dark right now, but you can at least see something. Okay, this is a swimming pool area where they have the adult swimming pool and also the children's swimming pool here. This is in Morgorwane, very close to Genfez. This is Genfez actually, in Sekukune. Okay, so in my next vlog or in my subsequent video, maybe I'll come and show you how this place looks like during the day, because I know it's late right now, but we'll do that in our next video. This is just so beautiful. I love this place. Like, I'm going to come here, lodge my birthday, my birthday weekend. Like, this is, I was planning on making a trip, but there's no need for that. Actually, there's no need for that when we have something close by. This is like, if I'm not mistaken, it's less than 20 minutes or 30 minutes from where I stay. I'm so happy, like, I reviewed this place. The last time I came here, it wasn't really up to this standard, but now everything is set and everything is good now. So we've come to the end of this video, guys. If you really loved it, encourage me by giving this video a thumbs up, share it as well, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, I have more content coming your way, and I'll see you all in my next one, guys. Bye bye.